welcome back to IFERROR Academy YouTube channel on Financial Modeling Series 1.0. We are in our video number 4 actually, but the formula is the second formula that we are learning about financial modeling. Today we are going to touch IFERROR function. Now we can see I already have a data set here and I am trying to figure out what I will earn in our next in a year time. So I have done whatever we have earned so far. So I have future months to come into play. When I normally add a formula and then populate the formula for the entire year, at the bottom of this data set you will see hashtag div errors. So this hashtag div error comes because I don't have any numbers to calculate here, so neither it has a proper output. And you can see the formulas that I've coined on the right hand side. So this is the formula that we have used in the list. If I add an IFERROR functionality and I can control that better, you can normally do this with the if function also if you wanted to, but I'm showing you an IFERROR here. So probably without using an IFERROR also we can set this dimension as a different dimension, but again IFERROR makes your life a little more easier here. So let's come back here and I will create this data set. We'll see, I'll say equals IFERROR, and then when I take an IFERROR I can select this data set. So I'm going to just use the same logic again. So I'm going to just pick up the data and then divide that by the next data set. So that's the result that I should get. If I'm getting an error, then I need a blank space here. So I'm going to just add a blank space here and I'm going to give an enter. That's going to populate my answer for me if I have the data set. If I don't have a data set, it's going to show you a blank data set automatically. I can even add a symbol here. You can see the variant that I have here. The IFERROR shows a blank field unless otherwise I fill something in this data set. I will not get anything out of it. So let's imaginarily fill a value in here and then get it done by some valuation. Automatically you can see that subsequent values are added automatically and then it gives you the data set beautifully here. So IFERROR will not make, or it will not show an odd data output like we see at the bottom of our screen. You can avoid this by just making an IFERROR in front of our formula, which allows you to make a data set look neat and tidy. As we fill in the data set, my data set shows the answer and it won't show any odd errors kind of a structure analysis here. This is how I'll use IFERROR in a simple way. I just showed you a simple example. I can use IFERROR wherever I want here. So I'll show you how I'm going to use inside protection of a data set and how I'm going to use inside a VLOOKUP here. I'll show you in our upcoming video. We're going to see one more video on IFERRORs here. This is Vinod signing out from Myself Academy YouTube channel, and this is our financial modeling series or model series 1.2. This is video number 4. Actually we have covered the second formula called IFERROR.